Pag interesado ka at gusto mo ang isang bagay, gagawin mo yan. Magfo-focus ka dyan, gagawin mo yan madalas, happy ka, and magiging magaling ka doon. How do you do that? Okay, so very, very important question is, what is something you're interested in? Because that's the sure way you'll be happy and be great at whatever it is. So for example, sa akin, na happy talaga ako mag-edit. Okay, na happy ako sa podcast. Bakit? Ewan ko siguro dahil mahilig akong matuto. Mahilig ako mag-learn. And pag nag-edit ako ng podcast, I feel like ang dami kong natututunan and I feel like I'm contributing to something na makakatulong sa mga tao. Yan, di ba? Finding your niche, it's as simple as what is something you're interested in or what are the things you're interested in.